Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to crochet the double crochet stitch, a classic stitch that works up quickly and is perfect for beginners. For this tutorial, you'll need yarn, a crochet hook that matches your yarn, and a foundation chain ready to work into. Start with your foundation chain. For a double crochet, we'll work into the third chain from the hook, the third chain or third back loop, or the second V-shaped chain. Begin by yarning over. The stitch should be tight. It should have a space to move easily. For yarn over, bring the yarn over your hook from back to front. Insert your hook into the third loops from the hook, going under back loop of the chain. Yarn over again, and pull the yarn through the chain. You should now have 3 loops on your hook. Now, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. You'll now have 2 loops left. Now, yarn over one more time and pull through the remaining 2 loops. That completes one double crochet stitch. This is the first V-shaped chain to the row starting. This is the next loop to insert the hook. For the next stitch, yarn over. Insert your hook into the next loop. Yarn over. Pull up a loop. Yarn over. Pull through 2 loops. And yarn over again, pulling through the last 2 loops. Repeat these steps across the entire row. Here are a few helpful tips. Keep your stitches relaxed and even. Count your stitches to avoid missing any. If your work feels tight, try using a slightly larger hook. We have reached the last loop of the row. Continue the double crochet. When you reach the end of the row, you should have 1 double crochet in each chain. To begin the next row, chain 1. Turn your work and continue double crocheting into each stitch. And that's how you crochet the double crochet stitch. This stitch is perfect for airy, soft projects and works up beautifully. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to Minimal Stitch Company for more calm, beginner-friendly crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy stitching!